What type of mattress lasts the longest? If you're wondering how long your mattress will last and which type is the most durable, you're in the right place. Let's break down the details to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to mattress longevity, the materials and construction play a significant role. Generally, most mattresses should last between 7 and 10 years, but some types can outlast others. Latex mattresses are often considered the longest lasting. They are made from high-density foam that springs back quickly, unlike memory foam, which compresses and rises slowly. You can expect a latex mattress to last up to 10 years, but they do need careful maintenance to avoid damage from sharp objects or rips. Next in line are mattresses made from high-density memory foams, or polyfoams. These mattresses tend to last longer than those made from lower-density foams. They can last around 7 to 10 years, depending on how well you care for them. Hybrid mattresses, which combine Innerspring systems with memory foam layers, also have a good track record. They typically last around 10 years, with some lasting even longer if used carefully. The balance between the compact spring system and the foam layers helps reduce wear and tear. In contrast, traditional Innerspring mattresses generally have the shortest lifespan. Open coil mattresses, for example, last between 5 and 8 years because when one spring fails, it can impact the entire bed, leading to sagging. Pocket spring mattresses, however, are more durable and can last around 10 years since each spring is independent and doesn't affect the rest of the mattress. The way you care for your mattress also affects its lifespan. Regular rotation, aeration, and using high-quality bedding can extend the life of your mattress. For instance, rotating your mattress every 3 months and airing it out for a few hours each month can make a big difference. Additionally, protecting your mattress from pests like bed bugs and dust mites with mattress encasements or regular vacuuming can help. In summary, if you're looking for the longest-lasting mattress, latex mattresses are your best bet, followed closely by high-density foam and hybrid mattresses. Proper care and maintenance can also significantly extend the life of your mattress.